हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का हमारा डिस्कशन है मार्क्स की स्टेजेस ऑफ ग्रोथ के ऊपर। तो मार्क्स ने 5 स्टेजेस दिए हैं: प्राइमिटिव, कम्युनल, स्लेव, फ्यूडल, कैपिटलिस्ट एंड सोशलिस्ट। अभी हम एक एक करके इन सभी स्टेजेस को समझेंगे। पहली स्टेज है प्राइमिटिव कम्युनल स्टेज। इसमें क्या होता है कि मैन दे हैव सक्सीडेड इन मेकिंग अ न्यू इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स लाइक बोट, एरोज, बॉस एक्सेट्रा, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मैन ने अपना लेबर प्रोडक्टिविटी को इंक्रीज कर लिया है। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस दे हैव कम अप विद डिफरेंट ऑक्यूपेशंस लाइक मेकिंग ऑफ टूल्स, क्लोथिंग, वीविंग एक्सेट्रा, and they have also learned how to make fire. People lived in clans, worked on common land and with common tools, and whatever is produced on those lands, they shared those produce equally among themselves. Barter system also began. We know what is barter system, so there is no point to discuss that. With social division of labor, because of the social division, the clan break into the families and they have started owning the means of production, and due to this they have started produce more than what is required for their subsistence, एंड हैंस दिस लेड टू दी सरप्लस। और अगर सरप्लस आया है तो सरप्लस कैसे आएगा? एक्सप्लोटेशन की वजह से आएगा। तो जो वहाँ पे जो लेबर काम करते थे उनका एक्सप्लोटेशन हुआ है, उसकी वजह से सरप्लस आया है। और दिस लेड्स टू द इमर्जेंस ऑफ द स्लेव सोसाइटी, जो कि हमारी सेकेंड स्टेज है। स्लेव ओनर ओन्ड बोथ द मीन्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एज वेल एज स्लेव along with whatever he produced. So the productive forces were also developed during this stage, like with improved tools, irrigation facilities, labor productivity in agriculture increased. Canals were also built and ore mining, smelting began, right? And the division of labor has taken place, like smelting, mining, weaving, clothing, tanning, pottery making, etc. Came into place. Trade developed both internally and externally because towns grew up, and so due to this the construction of buildings and shipbuilding taking place. Slaves were also used as a main productive force, but with passage of time, the slave society, class structure, or we say the class structure, led to the conflict between the productive forces and the relation of production. उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ था, जो स्लेव्स थे दे रोज अगेंस्ट द स्लेव ओनर्स, एंड ड्यू टू दैट फ्यूडल सिस्टम केम इनटू प्लेस. Feudal stage. Feudal lord owned the land and serfs they were the main means of production. Peasants they owned the plot of land, farming tools, livestock etc. और सर्फ क्या करते थे, जो अपना they used to pay a part of whatever they produce to the feudal lords. और feudal lords क्या करते थे? Feudal lords used to maintain the big armies and they used to help the monarch to expand their frontiers. Much progress in agriculture was there, like the varieties of grains, vegetables, fruits were there, fertilizers and the rotation of crops were introduced. Animal husbandry was also introduced at the time. Textile production was also increased. People learned harnessing the water and wind power by making water mills and windmills. They have also discovered the art of paper making and the book printing, also the small handicraft workshops, like the manufacturing taking place under one roof, and has a large number of workers started working there, and this leads to the specialization, and this increased the labor productivity. And hence we come up with the another stage, that is a capitalist stage. Capitalist owns the means of production. Workers used to sell their labor power, hence this leads to their exploitation. According to the Marx, labor power is like any other commodity. The value of labor power is the value of the means of subsistence. necessary for the maintenance of the laborers, which is determined by the number of hours which is necessary for its production. So we come up with another term, that is surplus value, which is a very important term. ये काफी बार एग्जाम्स में पूछी जाती है, तो you need to remember this term. So the difference between the amount earned from the selling of a commodity and the amount it cost the product owners to produce it is the surplus value. So to increase the labor productivity, technological changes were introduced, and this raised the output and it lowers the cost of production. Monopolies also emerged to earn the high profits. Labor saving machines were introduced, and due to this unemployment increased and surplus value reduced due to this, and profits also reduced in turn, and this leads to the capitalist crisis. Hence we come up with the last stage, that is the socialist stage. So dictatorship of the workers is established in this stage. Each person will contribute according to his abilities and receive according to his needs. Means of production were owned and controlled by the state. There was no class struggle, as everything is regulated by central planning authority for the public welfare. So these were all the 5 stages of the Marx. Thank you so much.